Good morning, students. Continue biomolecules. Positive sign and negative sign. Positive sign indicated dextrorotatory. Dextrorotatory. Negative sign indicated levorotatory. The dextrorotatory means rotated in the plane polarized right in clockwise directions. Levorotatory means a compound rotated in anti-clockwise directions. So dectorotatory symbol D plus or L plus. Levorotatory symbol D minus or L minus. Compound rotatory clockwise means dextrorotatory. Compound rotated in anti-clockwise direction means levorotatory. Next, classification of hydrocarbohydrates. Classification of carbohydrate. Carbohydrate classified into three groups. First one, monosaccharide. Second one, oligosaccharide. Third one, polysaccharides. Monosaccharide carbohydrate cannot be hydrolyzed further, so is called simple sugar. Simple sugars. Monosaccharide have general formula CnH2O n times. Mainly monosaccharide, how many types will be there means 20 of them natural products. Some common example, glucose, fructose, ribose, erythrose. Some common example, glucose, fructose, ribose, erythrose. Monosaccharide further classified into two types. Aldehyde group present means aldose. Keto group present means ketose. Different types of monosaccharide. The number of carbon atom in the chain, functional group present, types of sugar. Example, 3 carbon atom means aldehyde present, alto triose. That aldehyde means aldose, 3 carbon triose. Example, glyceraldehyde. 3 carbon ketone. Ketone means keto triose. Dihydroxy acetone. 4 carbon aldehyde, alto tetrose. Alto means aldehyde, tetra means 4. That end of the chain is sugar, glucose. Erythrose. 4 carbon keto, ketorose, erythrotriose. 5 carbon aldehyde, alto pentose, ribose. 5 carbon ketone, ketopentose, ribose. 6 carbon aldehyde, alto-hexose, glucose. 6 carbon keto, keto-hexose, fructose. That 1 mark said importance. Next, second type, oligosaccharide. 2 compounds, 2 monosaccharide hydrolysis means disaccharide. 3 monosaccharide hydrolysis means trisaccharide. Next, polysaccharides. Polysaccharide, large number of monosaccharide units based together. Glycosidic linkage is called polysaccharide. The two types will be present, homopolysaccharide and heteropolysaccharide. Homopolysaccharide example, starch, cellulose and glycogens. And heterosaccharide example, hypochronic and heparins. Now glucose. Glucose is simple sugar. Glucose is simple sugar, the most abundant sugar. So glucose present in honey and sweet fruits such as grapes, mangoes, etc. Human blood containing about 100 milligram per dl, hence also known as blood sugar. Glucose also known as blood sugar. In the combined form present sucrose, starch, cellulose, etc. Next, preparations of glucose. Glucose prepared from sucrose. Sucrose formula C12H22O11 hydrolysis in the presence of acid catalyst. Water obtain C6H12O6, C6H12O6. One of the compound glucose, another compound fructose. Molecular formula same, but the properties will be different. This is first preparation from sucrose. Second preparation, glucose starch. Starch formula C6H10O5 n times. Hydrolysis. Hydrolysis used a number of H2O in the presence of acid catalyst. Temperature used 393 Kelvin and 223 atmosphere. C6H2H12O6 number of times obtained glucose. Only 2 preparations. Next, structure of glucose. CHO, COH, H, CH, OH, COH, H, COH, H, CH2OH. Count the carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon. So C6. Hydrogen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, H12. Oxygen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oxygen 6, C12, H12O6. Glucose is called aldehyde present, so aldohexose. Optically active compound. Optically active. Asymmetric 4 asymmetric carbon atom. Asymmetrical carbon atom. 4 asymmetrical means carbon attached 4 bond different. First one, second one, third one, fourth one. So asymmetric carbon atom indicated for star is also called aldohexose. Next glucose structure evidence. First find elemental analysis and molecular weight determination show the molecular formula of glucose. Molecular formula of glucose C6H12O6. Second point, and reductions of concentrated HA and red phosphorus with 373 Kelvin, glucose getting hexane and 2-iodohexane. That means 6 carbon atom bonded linearly. Glucose react with concentrated HI red phosphorus with 373 Kelvin. What happened? N-hexane formed. N-hexane formula CH3, CH2, 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 CH3. Name is called N-hexane plus 2 iodohexanes CH3, CH2, 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 CH3. Here iodine. 2 iodohexane. Glucose react with concentrated hydrated HI and red phosphorus gives an N-hexane and 2 iodohexane. So glucose getting 6 carbon atoms. Carbon atom linearly. That is second evidence. Glucose react with hydroxyamine. Glucose CHO, CHOH 4 times CH2OH. Hydroxyamine formula NH2OH. Hydroxyamine. What happened? Releasing water molecules. So CH double bond NOH minus H2O. CH OH 4 times CH2OH. Glucose react with hydrogen cyanide. So cyanohydrin present. COH CNH. Glucose react with the hydroxy means glucose oxide. Glucose react with the hydrogen cyanide means glucose cyanohydrin. So presence of carbonyl group presence. Presence of carbonyl group present. Third evidence. Fourth evidence, glucose react with bromine water. That means oxidation. Oxidation means aldehyde group change to acid. COOH, CH2OH, COH, H, COH, H, COH, H, COH, H. That glucose react with concentrated nitric acid. Means aldehyde change to acid and primary alcohol change to acid. COOH, COOH, OH, H, H, OH, 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 H. React with bromine acid means gluconic acid formed. Gluconic acid formed. Here glucuric acid. Glucuric acid. So conformed aldehyde group only. Conformed aldehyde group and primary alcohol group also. Confirm aldehyde group present and primary alcohol group present. That is the fourth evidence. Next, glucose oxidized with again tolerance reagent. Fifth evidence means gluconic acid present. COOH, CH2, OH, OH, H, H, OH, OH, H, OH, H. Tolerance reagent present, so reaction presence of aldehyde group. Presence of aldehyde group only. And react with the Fehling solutions. That Fehling reagent means Fehling reagent means also obtained gluconic acid only. Gluconic acid. So confirmed presence of aldehyde group. Next, sixth evidence. Next, sixth evidence, glucose react with acetic anhydride in the presence of pyridine catalyst. What obtain? Glucose pentaacetate obtain. Glucose pentaacetate obtain. And removal of acetic acid. So further confirmed 5 alcohol groups. Presence of 5 alcohol group present in glucose. That is sixth evidence. Glucose stable compound. Glucose stable compound does not undergo dehydrations. Dehydration easily. So indicated for more than one hydroxy group presence. That means 5 OH group will be present, and one of the end of the chain is called aldehyde group also present. Sixth carbon atom aldehyde. Next, last evidence, the exact special arrangement of glucose give Emil-Fischer projections. Emil-Fischer projection formula. That means D plus glucose. D plus glucose. That is D plus glucose. Book is that is wrong. Only 4 asymmetric carbon atom. 1, 2, 3, 4 only. Book is given with, that is wrong. C star is indicated for asymmetric carbon atom. Structure of D plus glucose. Cyclic structure of glucose. Next, cyclic structure of glucose. Fischer identified that open chain pentahydroxy aldehyde structure of glucose. That means glucose having 5 hydroxy groups. That he proposed did not complete explain its chemical behavior. Only structural isolation given and structure will be given. Unlike similar aldehyde, glucose did not form crystalline bisulfate compound with sodium bisulfate compound and does not react. Glucose does not give shift test, and pentaacetate derivative of glucose not oxidized by tolerance reagent and Fehling solution. This behavior could not explained by the open chain structure. That is failure for Fischer projection formula. That is called cyclic structure of glucose. That alpha D glucose, alpha D glucopyranose. That alicyclic glucose open chain. That beta D glucose, beta glucopyranols. that simply asked alpha D glucose structure. Draw the structure of alpha D glucose means that structure only you have to draw. Then the carbon means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 carbon atom present. In addition to glucose found to crystalline two different forms depending upon the crystallization condition. Why with different melting points? 419 Kelvin and 423 Kelvins. In order to explain them, this proposed structure, one hydroxy group react with the aldehyde group to form cyclic structure, hemiaxial groups. So in figure 14.5, semiaxial groups. And specific rotations of pure alpha and beta D glucose 112 degree and 18.7 degree respectively. The pure form one of these sugars dissolved in water source interaction alpha D glucose and beta D glucose open chain form occur equilibrium stabilization. That specific rotation is given plus 50 degree. The phenomena is called meta rotations.